All right, people, listen up.
DJ.
As you all know, we have an addition to our crew. Dr. Weir, you care to join us? Introductions all around. This is my XO, Lieutenant Stark. Mr. Justin, engineering. The funky spaceman over here is Mr. Cooper. What exactly is it you do on board this ship, Coop?
Listen up, Doctor. I'm your best friend, okay? I'm the lifesaver and the heartbreaker.
He's a rescue technician. This is Peters, medical technician, and my pilot, Mr. Smith. The gloomy Gus in the corner over there, that's,
DJ.
Trauma. All right. Now we all know each other. Skipper, I got a question.
Sure.
What the fuck are we doing way out here?
Oh, perhaps the good doctor will be kind enough to tell us.
Thank you. First of all, I want to say how much I appreciate this opportunity to join you in what I...
We're sure that you appreciate being here, Doctor, but you must understand that we don't. We were taken off a well-deserved leave and sent into Neptune space. We are now 3 billion clicks from the nearest outpost. The last time USAC attempted a rescue this far past the outer reach, well, we lost both ships, so if you please.
Right. Well, everything I'm about to tell you is considered code black by the NSA. USAC intercepted a radio transmission from a decaying orbit around Neptune. The source of this transmission has been identified as the Event Horizon.
Yeah. Well, that's bullshit. Start.
Skipper, you took me off leave for the
All right.
Smitty, sit down. Cooper, as you were. Let the man speak.
What was made public about the Event Horizon, that she was a deep space research vessel, that her reactor went critical, and that the ship blew up, none of that is true. The Event Horizon was the culmination of a secret government project to create a spacecraft capable of faster-than-light flight.
Oh, no, excuse me. You see, you can't actually do that.
The law of relativity prohibits faster-than-light travel.
Relativity, yes, we can't break the law of relativity. We can go around it. The ship doesn't really go faster than light. What it does is it creates a dimensional gateway that allows it to jump instantaneously from one point of the universe to another light years away.
How?
Well, it's difficult to... It's all math.
Try us, Doctor.
Right, well, using layman's terms, use a rotating magnetic field to focus a narrow beam of gravitons. These, in turn, fold space-time consistent with Weyl tensor dynamics until the space-time curvature becomes infinitely large and you produce a singularity. Now, the singularity...
Layman's terms.
Well, fuck layman's terms. Do you speak English?
Imagine for a minute that this piece of paper...
Excuse me. That's Vanessa and that's mine.
Attractive piece of paper represents space-time, and you want to get from point A here to point B there. Now, what's the shortest distance between 2 points?
A straight line.
Wrong. The shortest distance between 2 points is 0, and that's what the gateway does. It folds space so that point A and point B coexist in the same space and time. When the spacecraft passes through the gateway, space returns to normal. It's called a gravity drive.
How do you know all this?
I built it.
Well, I can see why they sent you.
So if the ship didn't blow up, then what happened?
Well, the mission was going perfectly, like a textbook. They reached safe distance using conventional thrusters. All systems looked good. They had the go-ahead to use the gravity drive to open the gateway to Proxima Centauri. And then they just disappeared, vanished without a trace. Until now.
Where's she been for the last 7 years, Doctor?
That's what we're here to find out. Now, we've been unable... This is the gateway. Now, these 3 magnetic rings, when they align, it creates an artificial black hole, which allows the ship to travel to any point in space.
A black hole, the most destructive force in the universe. And you've created one.
Absolutely, yes, because we can use that immense power to bend space-time. Look, it'll take the Lewis and Clark 1,000 years to reach our nearest star. But the Event Horizon could be there in a day.
If it worked.
You can come down, it's perfectly safe.
So if Mr. Justin was sucked through your gateway, he could have gone wherever the event horizon's been.
Theoretically, yes, but as I told you before, the gateway can't just open by itself.
I see. Lieutenant, I want this room sealed off. Second containment from here on in is off limits.
Yes, sir.
Captain, there's no danger. The gateway's contained behind 3 magnetic fields. It's perfectly safe.
Safe! Doctor, my ship is in pieces and one of my crewmen may not make it home alive. No one else goes near this thing.